So it's the 10th of June 2023. I've just come up to Coombe Bottom to have a look at some chalk grass and here on the south coast of the Isle of Wight. So amongst the pyramidal orchid, here we've got one little bee orchid flower. Lovely to see. Easily one of my favourite views. Coombe Bottom. Just walk down here into the valley, I think. Not going to attempt to name everything because I don't know what everything's called. Some I do. Like bird's foot trefoil, this little yellow one. Just there in the centre of the shot is a what's it called? Rock rose, that's it. Rock rose flower. Another one there. Just round here is some salad burnet in the centre now. One flower and one seed head. Lovely plantain flower spike. Been caught by the wind. These grasses are absolutely stunning as well. Look at that. That, I believe, is a plantain. Some more lovely rock rose, the yellow in flower. And some field scabious. Be lots of that in flower soon. Give it another couple of weeks of warm sunshine. Certainly lots of yellows this time of year, aren't there? A few blues. Some little tiny white stitchwork type flowers. Lots of rock rose there. Jackdaws are very noisy in the background. There's Ventnor Down in the base of the valley in the undercliff. I adore bird's foot trefoil, the way you've got kind of dark reddish and yellow leaves together, or petals together. Beautiful. I can't remember what the little blue flowers are. Are they milkworts maybe? Not sure how clear they're coming out on the image. They might be milkwort. If anyone knows, tell me in the comments section. What have we got just over here? Looks like wild thyme to me. I think that's what it is. Again, tell me in the comments section. You can see how rich the sward is, how many different wildflowers there are and grasses, all intermingled. Calcareous, chalky and limestone soils like this. This is obviously on the chalk. Just so rich in wildflowers. So many calcicoles, calcium-loving species of native wildflower. As long as there's no fertiliser, which all these wildflowers hate, as long as there's no fertiliser, you get such a wonderful display of wildflowers thriving together. Lots and lots of fledged jackdaws by the sounds of it. So it's only just occurred to me that the jackdaws that nest abundantly down in Ventnor itself in the roofs, they probably bring their chicks up here once they're fledged, up into Coombe Bottom onto the chalk downland where there's lots and lots of insects for the chicks to eat. So that's probably where these lot have come from that you can hear in the background. Some more thyme. There's another herb that's, I can't think of the name of it now, that looks similar to thyme. It's more bushy though. Answer in the comments if you can think of what I'm thinking of, because I've forgotten the name. It's the trouble when you get to my age, you forget these things. Doesn't make it any less enjoyable though, coming up to a place like this. It's lovely and sheltered up here today, which I'm surprised about because it's quite breezy down on Ventnor Beach. Don't underestimate just how many species love bramble flowers, blackberry flowers, and the resulting fruits, the blackberries themselves. Some white clovers just for a change. The bees, the longer tailed bees, the bumblebees will be loving those. The longer tongued, I said tails didn't I? The longer tongued bumblebees will also be liking the bird's-foot trefoils. You need a longer tongue to get into the flowers of trefoils and clovers. And some bumblebees do have those longer tongues. Other ones have very short tongues and they go for more open flowers like the bramble flowers and field rose, that kind of thing. Hope you're enjoying this blissfully short video from me. Short relative to what I normally do. Do subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and if you like the video and want to support my video creation efforts, then you can press the thanks button, which allows you to make a little donation, or just read the description where you'll find a link to buymeacoffee.com. But let's go and see if we can see some more wildflowers just down here. Then I'm going to go back down for a coffee into Ventnor Bay and do some more writing, I think. So the cloud is thickening a bit, and I don't think the sun is going to re-emerge for more than a minute or two at a time, so I'm going to head back down into the valley now and get a coffee down on Ventnor Beach. Head down that way, I think. So I hope you're enjoying this video about Ventnor and the Undercliff. If so, then don't forget there are 2 books that I've written. One, Bird Watching Around Ventnor, creatively named, and the second one is Wildlife Watching Around Ventnor. Just short books about the local area that are the subject of this video. Available on Amazon. I'll put a link below for this video, and you can also order it from the library, and it's available in all major bookshops, both of these little booklets, and in a few shops along the Esplanade, like the Longshoremen's Museum and Lady Scarlett's Tea Room as well. But yeah, I'll put a link to the description if you want a slightly deeper dive into the Isle of Wight Undercliff. Then these 2 little booklets might be of interest to you. Just go onto Amazon otherwise and just search for Steve Jones and Ventnor and you should find them.